Okay, let's put the turbo back together. I hope I remember which way it went. Together, I mean. Use some assembly lube. So you got some lubrication when you start up the first time. And if I don't get the oil pump circulating oil from the beginning. So let's start putting should be this one. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. Supposed to seal there. Okay, let's start put this together then. To be clean. So we put the bearing in first. This one is not supposed to rotate, so we don't need any lubrication on that. And we have a lock ring or a lock washer, and then it's supposed to be lock ring, holds it in place. Like so. Check so it's in the groove properly. Then we have there's an oil hole, and here's a oil hole. So if you put it this way, you won't get any lubrication. So I assume it goes this way. And you have a thing here that locks it in place. It can't spin around. And I also assume that this O-ring goes down here. This one goes on top like this, but first got to put some stuff in this one. There's one of these, and if I look at the old one, it's the same. And there we have a ring that seals it, and it goes in here. Checking so it's no damage on there. Then ska vi köra lite lube på. Doesn't need that much. That's enough so it doesn't run dry. See if we can get it in here now. Still opening. There. Perfect. This. So let's lubricate this one. Let's try this first. When you pull the housing on, hopefully it pulls it together enough to seal up, you know. So let's grease the shaft and put it in there. There. I had to put it in the vise so I could use two hands. Now it's in there. So let's move it around later here so I can easier work with it. Like that. I hope you can see properly. So let's lube some more here. lock washer. That. Got an impeller. The rebuild kit comes with a new nut, but I made a marking on the old one, how hard to tighten it, so I'm not using the new one. Bless me. So that is, was there an 8? Yeah. No. 7. Ooh, this is a funny one. So what did I use? Let's get this impeller in the bottom. Pulled it together a lot. So let's see here. That's on the marking. So let's put some Loctite on this one. And tighten it up. There. You don't need much. Let's see here. Right on the money. There. Right on. So why I'm doing this this is not the proper way to rebuild the turbo. But this one is just going on my scooter. I got a 50cc scooter I'm gonna try to turbo convert. So that's why I bought this turbo for 50 bucks at the junkyard, and the rebuild kit cost $36. So I don't have much money spent in this one. And like I said, it's only going on my 50cc scooter, so it's not gonna see high boost or high RPM or anything. Just want to try, see if we can get it to work. So let's switch location again. I wish I had more than one camera, but it is what it is. Jag rengjorde wastegate-klockan. I cleaned the wastegate. So this one goes here. Like that. Just turbine housing left, but I'll clean it first, so I'll be right back. There, a little bit better, not perfect, but like I said, it's only a scooter. Put this on here then. think I need to either clean the threads, or these bolts have a different thread. Let's try the old bolts and see. Nope. Needs to be cleaned. Threads cleaned. See if it works any better. What do you think, guys? Think it's going to be easier to get the screws in now? Haha. Pulled it all the way in just with my fingers. That's it. Let's see. Let's see how many parts I got. How many spare parts I got. Get rid of all this. Those two screws go somewhere. This one too. There's something I don't know. Where is it going? So throw away. Throw away the old parts. But it's spinning. Doesn't touch anything. Return line. Put that on there. And I'm going to replace the washers here later on. Straight to the wastegate, just a small hose between, perfect. Put a nut on the wastegate. See if we can get it open, if it's working. I wish I knew how many bar it's on. This comes from a Volkswagen 1.9 turbo diesel TDI. Oh, I know, I can ask Edmund. He used to have one, I think. This clips goes over here. Lock the nuts in place so it doesn't unscrew itself. So oh, that's right. Here. Got this. It was on the turbo, so I'm going to use this connection here. So what we can do is and we take perfect thing to plug this one. Earplug. Couldn't be better. I guess I have to turn the housing to get it on there. But since I'm not going to use this anyway, so cut it off. And I got the small part. There. I'll turn the housings so it goes free. That's finished. Put it in a bag on the shelf until I get the scooter in. Thanks for watching. See you later.